What if I told you I found the best way you can make money on TikTok creativity program in 2024? This method is not posting streaming clips or Reddit stories. This method is so easy. All you need is literally just AI and a small bit of your brain, and you can make really good money off of this. Now, if you don't know what TikTok creativity program is, then I don't even know how you found this video, but all it is really is that TikTok pays you for views. And in some cases, it's actually very good. You can get paid upwards of $1 per 1,000 views. Now, the most important part for TikTok creativity program is your niche, because if your niche is bad, you're not going to be making any money because you're not going to be getting any views. And this method is going to show you the best niche to use right now in 2024. This is the niche that you're going to be doing. This channel right here is doing exactly what I'm going to tell you, and they're making very good money off of it. The niche is literally just what would happen or what if videos. These guys started in January of 2024 and they're already at 44,000 followers, and they get very good views every single video. And the niche is so simple. Literally every single one of their videos is just what would happen if or what if. Like this video right here, sorry, but my TikTok's not working, but you can read the caption. It's what would happen if the US and Canada became one country? What would happen if the US attacked Iran? Or what would happen if World War III started tomorrow? Very simple videos, but the key here is that the hooks are very, very good. The reason why this niche is so good is because it's relatively new. I've been seeing more and more people talk about it, which is good. The fact that people are talking about it means that it's working. On TikTok, you don't really want to find something completely new, because then you don't know if it's going to work or not. You want to find something that's already been done, but you don't want to be too late. The reason why I said this is not going to be posting streaming clips or Reddit stories is because that did work in the past, but now everybody's doing it. So it's way too hard to actually make money off of it. And the views that you get off of posting streaming clips or Reddit stories is very low right now. That's why this method, if you started right now, you're going to be qualified for the TikTok creativity program very fast, and you're going to be making money very fast. Now, let me show you how you can actually replicate this channel. All you need is just ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Leonard AI. If you have Midjourney, that can work as well, but Leonard AI is free, so you can go ahead and use that one as well. Now, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go on ChatGPT, and you're going to make the script using ChatGPT. And then once you got the script, you're going to put it into 11 Labs for voiceovers, and then using the voiceover that you got, you're going to go into Leonard AI to get your pictures. And you put everything together using CapCut. Now, to come up with the idea, you can either use your brain and just make your own idea. You can go on TikTok and just look around to see what other people are doing, or you can go on Google and just search up on Google what if scenario. Now, the scenario that I'm going to be showing you, I actually got it off Google, so if it's bad, it's because I didn't come up with it myself. It's going to be what would happen if you only ate one type of food for the rest of your life. So then you're going to go on ChatGPT and you're going to use this exact same prompt. You can tweak it a little bit if you want, but I think this one works pretty well. But this is just the beginning prompt. You never want to just give ChatGPT this prompt and just leave it at that. You're going to want to keep tweaking it after it gives you the first script, because ChatGPT sometimes is kind of stupid. You'll say one thing to it and it's going to give you something very, very bad. You're going to have to keep tweaking it and tweaking it until you get your final script. The prompt is create an interesting video script for the topic. What would happen if you only ate one type of food for the rest of your life? Make it simple. Should be easy enough that even a fourth grader would understand. Make the opening hook. What if you ate the same thing for the rest of your life? And the video duration will be 1 minute. And then you see right here, ChatGPT made me a script, but I didn't just take this script. I kept telling it, like, rephrase this, rephrase that, make this term simpler. And then in the end, what I got was my final script, and I put it into a Google Doc just so I can make it a little easier to see. And here I have my final script. Once you have your script, you're going to then put it into 11 Labs. Now, 11 Labs is free for a certain amount of characters, and then afterwards you're going to have to pay. I would recommend paying for 11 Labs because it is actually pretty useful to have. Me, I don't pay for this one right now. What I actually do is I just keep making new emails, and then I just get a new 10,000 characters. I'm assuming you get more out of it by actually paying, but right now I'm kind of lazy, so I'm just doing this. You can do this as well to try it out, and then eventually, once you're noticing that you're actually getting good views off of your videos, actually do go ahead and pay for it because it will be pretty useful for you. Now, once you're in 11 Labs, you're going to go here and you're going to find the voice that you want to use. You can actually play some of the voices by clicking on this right here, and you can find whichever one you like the most. You can tweak some of the voices, but for me, and I'm pretty sure this is the one you guys are going to be the most familiar with, it's the voice Adam. This is the voice that you see all over TikTok. It's the one that everybody uses. And then you're going to take your script from ChatGPT that you've put onto Google Docs and paste it here. And once you've pasted it, you're going to generate it. I've already generated mine. Mine's 1 minute and 7 seconds, which is perfect. Now, by the way, for the creativity program, your videos need to be over a minute long for you to actually make money off of them. Now, once you have your voiceovers done, you're going to go onto Leonard AI or Leonardo.ai, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to be getting your pictures from here to make the video with. Now, the prompts that you're going to be using, try your best to make them resemble the actual video that you're trying to make. So if mine is what would happen if you ate the same food every single day, I'm going to try to make some prompts of somebody eating the same food every single day. And if the outcome is health issues or just you get really bored, try to make some of the pictures be health issues or super bored. Prompts should not be that hard for you to come up with. Like here, you can see mine is kid eating the same food over and over again. It's probably not the best prompt you can come up with, but it'll get the job done for sure. If your video is about a minute long, I recommend having about 7 or 8 pictures. That should be good. Once you have all the pictures, voiceover done, scripts done, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to CapCut. Now on CapCut, you're going to import all the pictures that you got and the voiceover. So you can see mine, I have them all right here, and align all the pictures where you want them to be. So make sure that they match the text that you have them with. Now you're going to want to add some animations here just to make your video look a little better. So in the beginning, you're going to go to the top right. By the way, I'm terrible with CapCut, so if I can do this, then literally anybody can. The one I like is Zoom 2. So once you open the video, it just shows like a bit of a zoom effect like this. And you can do that on every single one, just so the transitions can look even nicer. And if you want, also go to the effects and add some effects over there if you want to just make your video look even better. That one is optional, but the very, very mandatory one is captions. You're going to want to make captions that look nice. Now, the good thing about CapCut is that it auto-generates captions for you. All you have to do is go on text, auto captions, and then select the language. So we're going to do English, and we're going to do create, and it's going to create my captions for me. And then you're going to have to edit them a little bit, make them look nice. Now, if you want the easiest way to edit your captions, I just go on text, and then go to templates, and just pick a template from here. This one, the second one, is pretty good. And then if you want, you can go to animations, and then just kind of change the way the captions pop up on the screen. Just for a quick one, I'll pick the typewriter one. Now you have some nice looking captions. So once you've edited the captions, done the animations for the video and everything, your video will be done. It'll be around a minute long. Now this should take you no more than, I'd say, 15-20 minutes to actually finish. And if you can finish one in 20 minutes, you can do like 3 videos a day easily and upload 3 videos a day. If you do that consistently for a month, I guarantee you within 1 month, you'll get into the creativity program and then you'll actually be making good money off of it. So if you're looking to start TikTok creativity program or you're already doing it, but you're not getting any views, try this niche for at least 30 days. So this is the video that I made. Use this video as an example just to get an idea on how to make these videos.
What if you ate the same thing for the rest of your life? Imagine every breakfast, lunch, and dinner being your all-time favorite right meal. Sounds pretty cool, right? But let's see what would really happen. At first, it's like a party. Your favorite right food, whether it's cheesy pizza, crunchy apples, or sweet chocolate, is all you eat. Yum! But soon, our bodies start to miss out on important pieces of a puzzle called nutrients. It's like trying to complete a puzzle but only having corner pieces. Our bodies love a good mix-up, like a playlist with all your favorite right songs. Eating just one food is like being stuck on a single track. Fun for a bit, but you'll soon want to hit next. Your favorite right food starts to get boring, turning fun meals into the same old thing every time. Even the yummiest food doesn't taste as good when you eat it over and over. Sticking to just one food not only makes meals boring, but can also set up hurdles for our health. Without a variety of nutrients, our bodies might start to feel sluggish, like a car trying to run without all its parts.
This video, I'll be honest with you, it's not the best. I made this literally as quick as I can just for this video. If I actually spent more time in making the script and coming up with the idea, I can make a much better video. And the way that you should do it isn't as quick as possible. You should actually take time in the quality of the video. If you make a million videos a day, but they're all terrible, you're not going to be making any money off of that. You're not going to be getting any views off of that either, because no one's going to watch bad videos. The videos actually have to be good. Now that you're done watching the video, what you're going to do is you're going to go on TikTok, and instead of scrolling for no reason, you're actually going to scroll for a purpose this time. You're going to scroll trying to find videos of this niche, videos that you're able to replicate. And then you're going to go and come up with your own ideas and start making these type of videos.